Hello physios, welcome back to Easy Peasy Physio. This is our day 22 of the series Classification of Drugs, and today we are going to study cough drugs. These drugs are also known as anti-tussive drugs. Now let's see what are the cough drugs. These are the drugs that are used to manage cough. Let's see classification of कफ ड्रग्स. इसे हम एंटी ट्यूसिव ड्रग्स भी बोलते हैं. इसका निमोनिक से सी एम पेप. Now let's see what C stands for. C stands for Central Curve Suppressants, जिसका निमोनिक से C band. C stands for codeine, B stands for benzonatate, A stands for antihistamine, N stands for noscapine, and D stands for dextromethorphan. Now C हो चुका है P. P stands for pharyngeal demulcents, जिसका निमोनिक से LLC. L stands for lozenges. Next L stands for linctuses and C stands for cough drops. Now P हो चुका है E. E stands for expectorants, जिसका निमोनिक से guppy. G stands for guaifenesin. A stands for ammonium chloride, P stands for potassium iodide, and I stands for ipecacuanha. Now, CM पेब में से CPE हो चुका है. Now B. B stands for bronchodilators. इसका निमोनिक से BTS. B stands for bronchodilators, T stands for terbutaline, and S stands for salbutamol. Now B भी हो चुका है M. M stands for mucolytics, जिसका निमोनिक से काबा. C stands for कार्बोसिस्टीन. A stands for acetylcysteine. ये हो गया इसका सफिक्स. Now B. B stands for bromhexine and A stands for ambroxol. So these are the cough drugs. Thanks for watching.